Kasokar jela kalau weng no ya kejeng ajeng menjur na kamta banwan TOHKIT di CBI. Ya kedua ni kikam mamsap ni kikam seniu hagan ni kejela. Untuk Mukul sama ni lam kenang persya ulah ong hab epek bah. Melibu kasokar kau weng no ya kini kau jeng menjur. Mat kai ka daw ka pelong kika bakan liak kum ni.
Yeah. See, we'll have to look at the background of the circumstances leading to this decision. Whether there is some reasons which has prompted the state government to take this decision or otherwise, we'll get into these. And I have just seen the media reports referring to this decision of the government. But we will have to look at about the circumstances leading to this decision by the government. One thing is very important, because when we talk about taking a decision to entrust any of the investigating agency or body for that matter to find out the truth for the larger good of the state and larger good of the people, then you'll have to look at what is the best decision that will ensure that the decision with well-intended purpose has a fruition. It cannot be any investigation or any inquiry into any of the alleged irregularities or alleged corruptions, or for that matter any instance which requires complete transparency and the reasons behind any instant of such concern where people want an inquiry, independent inquiry.
Kad ba umutri rang ba pat Conrad sang mau ong ba kani kadai rai ka blas lambha ba kan masuk menula syembaka nang ba ong ba kan ko bor man TOHKIT kide menyat ngba kasokar jela.
The decision was made quite a long time. So maybe I think almost, I can't remember exactly the date, but it has been done very, very long time back. So therefore, it's a normal thing where states aspect is there, and there's a decision that we take, and a lot of states have taken. So it's in line with that anybody who wants to come in here has to take consent from the state.